Hello everybody, Himalayan Transit is back with another high energy edition of Fun-Filled Road Trip. This time we are on our way to Solang. What started off as a normal road trip with a pit stop at Amrik Sukhdev suddenly turned into a nightmare as the clear road made way for dense fog. Keeping our cool, we kept moving at snail's pace through the night with the next stopover at Bilaspur at about 7 am next morning. After a brief stop and a quick cup of tea at a roadside dhaba, we set sailing again, and this time the ride was much more exciting as we negotiated blind curves and narrow hilly roads. At about noon, we reached the opening of the tunnel that connects Kullu district with Mandi district. Once you exit this tunnel, you are in district Kullu, which also happens to be the district headquarters. Kullu district is famous for its apples, whitewater rafting on River Beas, has an airport and connects Manali and further up to Solang. This district borders district Mandi and Dharamshala on the left, Lahore and Spiti on the right, and districts Shimla and Kinnaur in the bottom. So after all that non-stop journey of over 18 hours, we reached Hotel Iceland at about 2 pm. Hotel Iceland is a budget hotel with elementary rooms and basic appointments. Hotel staff was courteous and responsive to the guests' requirements. At about 6 pm, when the sun went down, we went down as well due to sheer tiredness because of the mammoth distance that we had covered. We woke up fresh with a single point agenda to cover Solang as has never been attempted before. We went beyond the routine to cover the real Solang that it actually is. After a sumptuous breakfast, we set on foot to reach the base camp of Rohtang Pass. We covered miles as the roads leading up to the pass were closed, as is the routine affair every winter. As I kept walking, the weather started to turn from bad to worse. A major cloud cover started building up. I did not want to give up and kept pushing until the crew got exhausted and requested for a halt. It is during this time that weather kept changing its mood and we had intermittent spells of snow, which led to sudden rush of adrenaline amongst the exhausted souls.
Hey everyone, so Himalayan Transit is back with another edition of fun-filled adventure to the Himalayan Wonderland. You will be pleased to know that in the midst of all this winter, chilly temperatures, we are in Solang Valley. And I'm sure that you must have not witnessed Solang Valley as beautiful as this. This is where our destination is, which is the base camp there, and it's going to be all exciting because of the heavy cloud cover that's building up. It's actually in place and we are just expecting a major snowfall at any point in time. But trust me, this place is just pure awesome. This is the place where you should be, and this is for me real Solang.
As the weather finally turned bad, we had no option but to abandon our trek to the base camp. It It is here that we made a fire camp to keep ourselves warm.
वक्त की फितरत है कि वो चलता रहता है साथ पर इंसान को वक्त के हिसाब से अपनी चाल बनानी पड़ती है। जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं कि मौसम बहुत बिगड़ चुका है और जहाँ पे हमने अपना कैंप लगाया था वो रोहतांग के बेस कैंप से करीब 1 घंटे की दूरी पे है।
Finally beating all odds, the fire kept growing despite heavy snowfall, providing much needed relief and assistance. What initially appeared to be a normal snowfall suddenly turned into a severe storm, and this is where an idea hit us. That come what may, a fresh cooked Maggie with snowballs as the main ingredient along with tea would just be an icing. Trust me, it was the best ever Maggie and tea I have ever had in my life.
तो गाइस जैसा मैंने प्रॉमिस करा था हमारी मैगी बन चुकी है। इस मैगी के अंदर सबसे बड़ा इंग्रेडिएंट है पैशन और ऐसी स्नोफॉल में ऐसी गर्मा गर्म मैगी बनी है। मैं इसको टेस्ट करके बताता हूँ कि आपको बनी कैसी है। मतलब मैं आपको चैलेंज कर सकता हूँ, आपको यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा, ऐसी मैगी खानी पड़ेगी, फिर आप समझ पाएंगे इस मैगी का टेस्ट क्या है।
As it was dusk and with temperatures plummeting to -12 degrees Celsius, it was time to wind up and hike back to Solang town. The snowstorm was so severe which made the trek down not only arduous but exciting as well. Finally, after 6 hours of negotiating small crevasses, uneven earth, rocks and pebbles, we ended up in Solang town at 10 p.m. Finally, with hotel in our sight, we heaved a sigh of relief, only to retire in our rooms with satisfaction and a sense of achievement. Trust me, all this effort that had gone into was worth it. Hope you enjoyed this epic journey with us. Next time you are in Solang and whatever may be the roadblocks, you know what you have to do and can do, as Himalayas never disappoint. Hope you enjoyed. It's goodbye from us here until we meet next. So long, stay fit.